Mayam Manipur top channel dagi video amta thagachage sisna mu Photon School gi ko magi class 11 ka na bagi damakta science stream gi magi form lae adu mayam si aina maru oina photon gi thagal isna mayam haidi mark tang nem na phangak pa leidana ko exam da adugumba singi di khudong chabadi yamna pi moi je haidi moi siang 45% and above 45% gi mathakta lakpa kangu dudi direct admission phange ba Photon School da ko aduga magi sorak da harangi hana mayam Photon School gi my admission open for class 11 science 1920 gi ko 10 pass to bo khuding mak loina kano to we are the direct admission ji mayam 45% amasung adug mathakta lakpa kangu du direct admission phange aduga rank yorok pa kangu do moi gi di total free education plus hostel plus scholarship supini ya hostel su free adurigi education ju loina free aduriga 80% and above 80% gi dugi mathata lakpa kangu duna admission monthly free adri book and uniform and coaching free loina ma free 75% gi mathata lakpa kangu dudi 80% pokki mathak manung da laiba ko moi duna mo admission ne monthly free ne uniform ne book ne 70% gi mathakta lakpa kangu duna admission ne monthly free ne uniform free ne ari 60% gi mathakta lakpa duri admission free ne or monthly free fees free oire ari 55% gi dudi half admission free oire 50% gi di uniform free oire aduga 45% and above lakpa kangu duna direct admission phangane ba pass to kangu duna condition apply moi condition kra pi de du apply to duba ado moina subject to ribo offers na english ne mil lt physics chemistry biology maths computer science home science ne aduga mayam akuppa maron khangninga gadi moi sida phone number pi rise Photon kwa kaitel phone number 70053033412 natragana 700558858 natragana 70054398898 natragana 8837451193 da call tawbiraga akuppa maron khangbiyu aduga moi school gi si khudong chabadi yamna pi aduga school tamba sidi mayam akoina pamjaba mafum khangadabani ko haidi kanopi esogumba khudong chaba pi ha opportunity pi bedam ta changdu basunate aduga mayam khalla kana afabde apply to biyu ko aduga video si side lu sinjarage and thank you.